The Weather Channel. Tropical storm Melissa likely to bring prolonged, life threatening, heavy rain, destructive winds to Jamaica. Rapid intensification likely. Jonathan Erdman. Thursday, October 23rd, 2025, at 9:55 p.m. EDT. 4-minute read. Add Yahoo on Google. Key takeaways. Tropical storm Melissa is forecast to become a major hurricane by early next week, bringing days of tropical storm or hurricane conditions for parts of Haiti, Jamaica, and Cuba. Melissa's slow crawl over the Caribbean Sea poses a significant rainfall flood danger, with parts of the Dominican Republic, Haiti, and Jamaica potentially receiving over 14 inches of additional rainfall throughout next week. Wind alerts are in effect for southern Haiti and Jamaica, with hurricane conditions possible in Haiti and Jamaica beginning Friday afternoon, and tropical storm conditions expected to move into Jamaica early Friday.